In this tutorial, I wanted to show you how you can copy cells and paste it as a link to the cell where the data is originally coming from. So to do this, all you have to do is copy the cells that you want to have the links referring to. Go to the tab where you want to paste the cells into, or even the same sheet or whatever, and then right click, go to paste special, click on paste special down below, and then click on paste link. And now, just like that, you have a basic formula that just references the cell where the data originally came from. And this is huge because, for one, it increases traceability, so you can better see where the data is coming from versus just pasting the the values in this sheet. Also, too, helps make sure that you're not referencing the wrong cell. So, if you're out here going like equals the country, it's very easy to potentially reference the wrong cell or have absolute references wrong. But by pasting as a link, it helps you make sure that you are referencing the proper cells. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.